Do you freeze when people ask, "What's your routine?"
Today, you will answer fast.
Simple words, short lines.
Real life English.
Map, listen, learn key phrases, shadow, role plays, quiz, your 5 lines.
Speak today. No excuses.
Your day, simple model. I wake up around 7.
I get up at 7:10.
I wash my face.
I brush my teeth.
I make a quick breakfast.
Toast and tea.
I get dressed.
I pack my bag.
I leave at 8.
It takes me 10 minutes to get to class.
I have 2 classes in the morning.
I have lunch at 12:30.
I study in the library.
Sometimes I have group work.
I go home around 5.
On the way, I stop at a small market.
I cook a simple dinner.
I eat around 7:30.
I clean up the kitchen.
I read for a while.
I take a shower.
I go to sleep around 11.
Key phrases short and clear.
Around 7. About 7.
Wake up, stop sleeping.
Get up. Leave the bed.
Quick breakfast. Fast and simple.
It takes me 10 minutes. Time needed.
Often. Many times.
Sometimes. Not many times.
On the way. During the trip.
For a while. A short time.
Clean up. Make it tidy.
Call and response. You try. Say a line with around.
I get home around 5.
Say a line with it takes me.
It takes me 15 minutes to get to work.
Use often.
I often study in the library.
Use on the way.
I buy fruit on the way home.
Shadowing. Morning. Shadowing morning.
Slow. Repeat after me.
I wake up around 7.
I get up at 7:10.
I make a quick breakfast.
I pack my bag.
I leave at 8.
It takes me 10 minutes.
Normal speed. One more time.
I wake up around 7.
I get up at 7:10.
I make a quick breakfast.
I pack my bag.
I leave at 8.
It takes me 10 minutes. Shadowing. Afternoon. Slow to normal.
Slow first.
I have lunch at 12:30.
I study in the library.
I sometimes have group work.
I go home around 5.
I stop at a small market on the way.
Normal speed.
I have lunch at 12:30.
I study in the library.
I sometimes have group work.
I go home around 5.
I stop at a small market on the way. Shadowing. Evening. Slow to normal. I cook something simple.
I eat around 7:30.
I clean up the kitchen.
I read for a while.
I go to sleep around 11. Normal speed. I cook something simple.
I eat around 7:30.
I clean up the kitchen.
I read for a while.
I go to sleep around 11.
Mini quiz. 5 quick checks. 1. Wake up means.
Stop sleeping.
2. Get up means.
Leave the bed.
3. It takes me 10 minutes talks about.
Time needed.
4. Often is more than sometimes.
Yes.
5. On the way means.
During the trip.
Role play 1. Class day.
Your turn. Short lines only.
Hi, I wake up around 7.
Then.
I get up. I wash my face. I brush my teeth.
Breakfast.
Toast and tea. Quick breakfast.
Travel.
I leave at 8. It takes me 10 minutes.
Afternoon.
I have lunch at 12:30. I study in the library.
Evening.
I cook. I eat at 7:30. I clean up. I read. I sleep at 11.
Role play 2. Workday.
Try a work day. I wake up around 6:30.
Next.
I get up. I shower. I make coffee.
Commute.
I leave at 7. It takes me 30 minutes to get to work.
Lunch.
I have lunch at 12.
After work.
I get home around 6. On the way, I buy bread.
Night.
I cook a simple dinner. I clean up. I go to sleep around 10:30.
Role play 3. Weekend.
Weekend now. I wake up around 8.
Morning.
I make pancakes. I call my mom.
Afternoon.
I read for a while. I go for a walk.
Evening.
I watch a movie. I sleep around 11:30.
Build your 5-line script.
Use this frame. Fill it with your life.
1. I wake up around.
2. I get up and.
3. I leave at. It takes me. 4. In the afternoon, I.
5. In the evening, I. And. Sleep around.
Common lines. Understand fast.
I usually wake up around 7.
It takes me 10 minutes to get there.
I often study in the library.
I sometimes stop at a small market.
I clean up after dinner.
I go to sleep around 11.
Quick map. Say your day in 20 seconds.
Morning. Time plus breakfast plus travel time.
Afternoon. Lunch plus study or work plus on the way stop.
Evening. Dinner plus cleanup plus sleep time.
Recap.
Today you learned simple, real lines for your day.
Short, clear, and useful.
Make your 5-line script now.
Post your script in the comments. We will correct the first 10.
Speak today. No excuses.
You can do this.